CATIA Engineering Excellence is a limited-time offer which delivers a powerful set of applications covering the end-to-end process for mechanical and shape design. This offers an opportunity to acquire an extended pack of specialized applications which will allow you to dramatically increase productivity. This will help you to reduce time to market by getting the design right the first time. Always access up-to-date and complete information directly in 3D. Easily reuse and improve existing components. Enrich your design with sophisticated and complex shapes. Validate your design to reduce the need for physical prototypes. Collaborate and manage your data with your team and others. Powerful CATIA capabilities reduce time to market by enabling you to get the design right the first time. You can correct or improve the geometry of your objects thanks to functionalities like Compare for Review, available in the Healing Assistant workbench. You will be able to check if a new release of a part has been modified and then review these modifications and validate or reject them. The color coding and transparency levels will enable you to review the differences between the models. You can then create an HTML report that will summarize the status of the new release modifications. It includes snapshots, tags, and comments. Benefits a wide range of discipline-oriented features and apply company-defined standards to ensure design quality ready for manufacturing. The sheet metal design applications allow efficient design and management of sheet metal components. It incorporates material and process information in sheet metal specific modeling features. This subassembly is the control panel of a cardboard die cutting machine. The inside design has been done and the sheet metal front panel is now going to be detailed. Wireframe elements have been created inside one model as a conceptual layout in order to be reused directly to create the panel and the boxes. The use of knowledge-based templates, which contain both common parameters and the best of know-how, reduces creation time and ensures automatic high quality. With functional molded parts, you can take manufacturability constraints into account early in the design phase and speed up assembly design. CATIA Functional Molded Parts is a product for designing cast, molded, and forged parts and related tooling with unmatched productivity and flexibility. You can add some stiffeners that are automatically relimited on the shell and on the protected area. This approach reduces the design to manufacturing cycle by defining the complete functional specifications for both parts and their associated tooling. Functional molding enables product designers to focus on the functional goals and design constraints of their product. Then complete the design by adding some screw holders reusing a knowledge-based template. After adding a lip to the top part of the machine, designers complete the cycle by creating a grill in one feature. This all-in-one concept saves considerable time when working on complex forms. Access the right and complete information directly in 3D and eliminate work to generate and update 2D documents according to the 3D geometry definition. You can define 100% of product definition in one single source with associativity between 2D layouts and the 3D master. With 2D layout for 3D design, you work in a 3D environment with embedded 2D drafting capabilities in a familiar drafting workbench with multi-view capabilities. You can create layout views containing geometry, dimensions, annotation, dress-up, 2D components, and constraints. This is well adapted to both 2D and 3D oriented users and to 2D users who want to start designing in 3D at the conceptual phase. It provides an intuitive environment to capture design intent. How can we increase the quality of manufactured products? Here's a way to reduce tolerancing and drawing interpretation errors and to ensure better compliance with regulations and standards. CATIA Functional Tolerancing and Annotation ensures the easy definition and management of 3D tolerance specifications and annotations of parts and assemblies. It reduces reliance on 2D drawings by capturing all drawing information, 3D tolerance specifications, and annotations inside the 3D model. The Tolerancing Advisor command allows the user to check the correctness of all annotations according to your chosen standard. This is what is used here for tolerancing the keyway. Using knowledge-based templates reuse capabilities, you can boost your productivity by reusing existing functions or components that include your company's best practices. You can capitalize on your assets and generate family of components to accelerate your design. For example, here we generate a connecting rod by reusing a smart template stored in a catalog. An embedded design rule automatically chooses the rod profile depending on the rod length. For the second generated rod, the rod profile is automatically set to a circular one since the rod length is above a specific value defined in the rule. For tooling capabilities, you can speed up assembly design by reusing smart and adaptive tooling components. You can also retrieve and manage the associated impacts at the assembly level. Using the Tooling Design Workbench, you're able to insert components embedding company know-how. These components can be inserted in any structure. They can be selected in catalogs or anywhere on a disk. You can add several components in one shot on predefined locating points. The components include drill holes. While inserting the components, you can choose the parts that will be drilled. CATIA delivers a set of innovative products for creation, validation, and modification of any type of wireframe and surfaces. Thanks to CATIA's developed shapes, you can quickly and easily unfold any type of freeform surfaces and develop curves on revolution surfaces. You can also define an associative flattened pattern from 3D models for manufacturing. How to design high-end aesthetical shapes with an unrivaled freedom? CATIA Freestyle Shape Design provides powerful surface-based tools to help you create styled shapes and surfaces efficiently with automated multi-face curvature and tangency management. You can generate an intuitive dynamic surface creation by sweeping a profile curve along multiple guides. This smart and advanced tool dramatically deforms single or multi-surface shapes. You can put a continuity constraint between two elements and then interactively deform an aesthetical shape based on the spec-driven approach that allows you to immediately propagate design changes. How can you optimize the product or the tooling definition? First, thanks to CATIA Generative Shape Optimizer, a powerful technology that offers several options for creating local or global deformations on a surface. In this case, we have created a surface deformation based on the defined initial status and the final one. This status is built with curves network. Each initial curve is associated to a final one. And second, with CATIA Realistic Shape Optimizer that enables you to morph an existing shape to match a given target. This target can be, for instance, computed by a finite element analysis system. This example of the helix of an airplane shows you the application of all deformations along a surface. You can check the displacements and even tune some computation parameters. Comparing the two parts, you can see that the deformation has been applied harmoniously and the surface quality of the original model has been preserved. How to validate and accelerate product design releases? Today, engineers need more advanced desktop tools to quickly validate and release designs into production. If you take large and complex assembly structures and simulate them in context, you can set ideas in motion in a few clicks. CATIA Kinematics provides a comprehensive set of tools to simulate complex behavior in one unified environment. It includes motion simulations by checking interferences and computing minimal distances. This enables more decisions at the virtual stage of development before investing in expensive prototypes, production resources, and product launch activities. Now, how do you perform optimum digital mockup verifications? Digital mockup space analysis allows advanced validation of designs by ensuring a better understanding of the problems for quick solving. You can perform optimum verification using advanced interference detection and analysis, superior sectioning analysis, measurement, distances analysis, and 3D geometry comparison tools. Interferences can be detected interactively or in a batch mode, analyzed, and results can be saved. Digital mock-up space analysis is capable of handling digital mock-ups of all sizes, from consumer goods to very large automotive, aerospace, plant, ships, or heavy machinery mock-ups. Collaborate and manage your data with your team and others with the 3D Experience platform. The latest release for Dassault Systèmes' 3D Experience platform delivers an elegant, powerful business experience environment with role-based functionality, easily accessed apps, and services that users need with one click. The new 3D Experience Marketplace offers an ecosystem of qualified industrial service providers for operations like 3D printing, and self-defined 3D dashboards streamline collaboration for both users and management across industries to create innovative consumer experiences. PowerBuy lets CATIA V5 users benefit from the 3D Experience platform without migrating data or disrupting existing processes. Continue to use V5 to create new models and make these existing V5 models available on the platform, where they are secured, managed, tagged, visualized, and shared. Position, assemble, configure, and filter V5 data on any web device without a CATIA V5 license. CATIA V5 projects can continue, but V5 engineers can now choose to design in the context of a configured product, and they can take advantage of the power of 3D Experience CATIA's unique new roles to supplement their V5 projects. With CATIA Engineering Excellence, you will reduce time to market by getting the design right the first time, always access up-to-date and complete information directly in 3D, easily reuse and improve existing components, enrich your design with sophisticated and complex shapes, validate your design to reduce the need for physical prototypes, collaborate and manage your data with your team and others. Thank you for your time watching this webinar. For more information or go forward to a dedicated demonstration, please contact your sales representative or Dassault Systèmes.